Oh, my name is Alan Ponce.
I'm Liliana Núñez, and we're gonna talk about discontinuities and its types. In this project, we will talk about discontinuities. So, what's the meaning of a discontinuity? They are functions that aren't a continuous smooth curve. This means that the graph of that function has some points that are isolated from the original graph. For example, we can put it this way. If you have your pencil and you're drawing your function and you have to at least stop once and lift your pencil up to continue the function, then that mathematical object is discontinuous because it isn't smooth and like curvy. So whenever there are some slight jumps in the function, we call that mathematical object discontinuous.
The first example of discontinuous is jump. This is one limit that exists on both sides. This meaning that the function approaches in different values depending on the direction of x. For example, one example of jump discontinuity, and x is approaches from different sides.
The next example are infinite discontinuities. In this example, both one-sided limits are infinite. This means that they don't have any particular finite value, and thus they approach to infinity. And it doesn't have to be the same infinity, it can be one negative and one positive. This is an example of an infinite discontinuity, since the function doesn't have any finite value, and the discontinuities are found at infinity. This example are removable discontinuities. So these are the common holes we've known throughout our whole semester, and in these type of functions the limit does exist and the function can actually be modified in order to fix it. For example, if we have this function and we add a value at f minus 2, then this hole could become an actual point of the graph and the discontinuity would be fixed.
The last example is endpoint discontinuities, where only one of the one-sided limits exists. This meaning that the limit doesn't exist on both sides. If you were to walk over this graph, there's nothing until the origin, and this is because the limit doesn't exist on both sides, only one.
So in summary, discontinuous functions are whenever the function isn't a smooth, continuous curve. And there are four main types: jump, endpoint, removable, and infinite discontinuous.